Gutter cleaning. Southfield. Are your gutters blocked with leaves, branches, tree saplings, and other debris? Then you need a local gutter cleaner sooner rather than later. Clogged gutters stop the water flowing properly, so your gutters become damaged. Water will be forced onto your roof, and then leak into your home, and down to your foundations. This can lead to devastating damage and expensive repairs. Blocked gutters also create a perfect breeding ground for insects, rodents, and termites to thrive. Keeping your gutters and downpipes clear of blockages will keep rainwater away from your home and protect your home from incurring any serious damage. Call today and we will find a gutter cleaner nearby, who can clean your gutters professionally and quickly. Call today on 07480 589133.